Welcome to the Anybody's platform. Today we will be covering an integral service that we offer, the Rules and Logic. To get access to the Rules service, contact the Anybody's team. You are looking at the Anybody's studio. Here you will find the community that you have created. If you have not created one yet, head on over to our website and sign up. Our rule service is built in a way that you can create complicated rules in the form of a binary tree. You can create multiple conditions per rule and decide if the user must comply with all conditions and action between each condition, or if he must comply with at least one or action between each condition. As a project, you can create much more complicated rules combining the two actions between different conditions. Click on Rules, and you will see in the top right-hand corner is this button to create a new rule. As soon as you click Add Rule, this window will pop up. Here you will give the rule a name as well as a description. You will see that a new rule has popped up. If you look to the right, you will be able to see the number of hits, which is the number of people that fulfill your requirements that you set out by the rules. As you can see, you have not created the rules yet, so this number is still 0. Next to that is the Copy Link button. This allows you to copy the link for your rule as well as test the rule. In order to change the logic for the rule, you have to click on the rule. This will take you to the rule builder. As you can see, there is a box that says Group with Operator. This is where you can choose for your logic to be either, and, or. All conditions under the group will be checked according to the action chosen. The next step is to add conditions. You will see 3 options. These are the options that we currently offer for you to build rewards on top of. You have Holder Hash List. Complying with the condition depends on what the subscriber holds. Here, you will need to upload a hash list of the token addresses where the system will check what the user has in his wallet and compare it against the list. Then you have Subscriber. Complying with the condition depends on what subscriptions are active. Here, you will choose a specific subscription plan where the user must have at least one active subscription in order to comply with the condition. Then you have Discord. Complying with the condition depends on Discord roles/activity in your Discord server. In order to use the Discord condition, you must first make sure you've integrated the Anybody's bot in your Discord server under Social Integrations in the Manager website. Let's go through each of them one by one. First is Holder Hash List. For this, you will need a JSON file. You will see you have 3 fields. The first one is Create Operation with the new group. Checking this box will create another depth to your rule by creating a sub-verification group with the created condition, meaning all conditions that you will create in this group will be checked with the action chosen, and, or. Think of it as sub-conditions that will be checked independently before we check the overall condition is met to make sure it is met in its entirety. Below that is where you upload your JSON file hash list, and below that is where you set the parameters of your rule, that is how many assets they need to own. This allows you to reward members who hold more than one of your assets. Once you have clicked Save, you will see the beginning of your rule tree. You are able to create a rule with as many conditions as you want if you want to create a rule that only requires you to hold one asset and be rewarded to rewarding subscribers who hold 5 different brand assets. Next, let's move on to Subscriber. This condition allows you to reward people who have subscribed to your brand. Firstly, hit Add Condition and then hit Subscriber. Once again, you can choose if you want to add another depth layer to your rule by creating another group. Or you can just use it as a simple condition. Next, you have to choose a subscription plan that you want to reward your subscribers for using. Once again, you have to choose how many items they have to subscribe to said plan in order to be rewarded. Once you have hit Save, you will see that your subscriber rule is underneath the Holder Hash List rule. Moving on to the Discord option. Once again, hit Add Condition, and then add the Discord rule. Once again, you can choose if you want to add another depth layer to your rule by creating another group. Or you can just use it as a simple condition. Then you will be able to link a Discord role. In order to do this, you must install our Discord bot into your brand's Discord. The possibilities are endless. You will be able to create as many rules in order to gamify your rewards as you want. This allows for all brands to utilize our technology to make a more engaged and loyal customer base.